How to cancel Edreams Prime subscription on website. So basically there are two ways to do that. The first one is to delete your Edreams account. So what you're gonna have to do is simply go to edreams.com, and after you log into your account, what you're gonna have to do next is simply click on your name in the top right corner and then go to account details. Then what you're gonna have to do is simply go to account details here, so make sure this is selected, and then simply click on I want to delete my account. And then here what you're gonna have to do is simply click on yes, delete, and basically this will cancel the subscription. Now if you want to cancel the subscription and keep the account, what you're gonna have to do is simply call them at this number here. So as you can see, I found this blog post from their official website, and as you can see, call us to cancel your Prime subscription on the number. So as you can see here, you have these phone numbers depending on your country. So you have United Kingdom, United States, Spain, Australia, and Italy. So if you want to cancel the subscription but keep the account, you're gonna have to call them at this number here. So if you want, you can pause the video and copy the phone numbers. But as I said earlier, there is another way by simply deleting the account completely, and automatically the subscription will be cancelled. So I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.